Happy New Year. It's Attorney Cha'Ron, your Georgia Wealth Wellness attorney, helping you to eliminate debt with bankruptcy and building wealth with real estate and protecting it all with estate planning. I wanted to hop on here for the new year and talk to the folks out there who are upside down in their vehicles. If your vehicle is worth less than what you owe on it, bankruptcy may be a good option for you, and let me explain to you why. So in bankruptcy, if you owe more than what your vehicle is worth, you have a couple options. One, if you file a Chapter 7, you can do something what's called a motion to redeem the vehicle. Redeem it means you are going to pretty much pay the vehicle off for what it's worth instead of what you owe on it. And there's a trick to it because you have to come up with a lump sum. But there are programs out here to help you pay that lump sum, like you're kind of refinancing the vehicle for the actual value instead of the full amount. And there's one company that I refer most of my clients to. It's called 722 Redemption. So look them up, 722 Redemption. And if you file a Chapter 7, you can redeem your vehicle for the actual value instead of the balance. And there's no time frame where you have to wait or anything like that, as long as the numbers make financial sense for the finance company to give you the money. There are certain stipulations, and you can call them and talk and go over what the stipulations are. I know the vehicle can't be too old. I think nothing beyond the 2016, but don't quote me on that, but call them. But that's an option if you're upside down. You can redeem the vehicle in the Chapter 7, or you can explore a Chapter 13. Now, Chapter 13, there are some stipulations. You have to have had the vehicle more than 910 days. If you've had it more than 910 days, you can cram the value down. So you can cram what you owe down to the actual value of the vehicle. So if you owe more, you can cram it down to what the vehicle's worth. So remember, a Chapter 13 is a payment plan where you're repaying your creditors back over 3 to 5 years. So during that time frame, you will cram the balance of the vehicle down. And keep in mind, things could change if you have a co-signer, because when you file bankruptcy only protects the person that's filing. So if you have a co-signer in the vehicle, it could create some issues, because then they can go after the co-signer for the difference. And that's when you want to make sure you're working with a knowledgeable attorney, and they can explore that, because you can also reach out to the finance company or their attorney and possibly negotiate something so that at the end of the bankruptcy, you will get the title and not going after the co-signer. So bankruptcy can help you. If you're upside down in your vehicle, you have a couple options: a motion to redeem in a Chapter 7, or you can do a cram down in a Chapter 13. So don't struggle in silence. I tell all my clients, if you're upside down, explore your bankruptcy options. Most bankruptcy consultations are free, so call and speak to an attorney. I'm here in Georgia, so if you need help, give me a call and I'll be glad to speak with you, okay? I will see you guys in the next video.